Let's make stuffed courgettes, also known as zucchini, with minced pork meat, sage, and green peppercorns. You will need 2 courgettes, pork, onion, cheese, garlic, green peppercorns, sage, salt and lard, or frying oil. Peel a small onion. Dice the onion finely. Heat up a pan, and add lard, or frying oil. Fry the chopped onion, until it softens. Peel 1 clove of garlic. Slice the garlic. Add the sliced garlic to the frying pan. Add 150 grams of minced pork meat. Fry the meat gently, together with the onion and garlic. Crush half a teaspoon of green peppercorns. Add the crushed pepper to the frying pan. Cut 2 courgettes in half, lengthwise. Scoop out the soft centers, and place the pulp in a bowl. We will use only half of the pulp for making the stuffing. Discard half of the pulp, and chop the rest into small pieces. Add the chopped courgette pulp to the frying pan. Add 1 teaspoon of sage. Add 2 pinches of salt, and fry everything gently for a little bit longer, until the meat looks cooked. Grease an oven dish with lard, or with oil. Add the courgettes to the oven dish. Distribute the stuffing evenly, filling the courgette halves. Bake the courgettes in a preheated oven, at 180 degrees Celsius, for about half an hour. Then, remove the courgettes from the oven. Grate 50 grams of cheese. I am using Swiss Gruyere cheese, but other types of cheese will also taste nice. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the stuffed courgettes. Return the courgettes back to the oven, for about 10 minutes. You can serve the stuffed courgettes on their own, or with a side of your choice, such as a salad, or potato mash.